how's it going, man?
My man.
How's it going?
How you doing, dude?
You look really fresh.
Are we really doing this right? What's up, everyone? I hope you're all doing amazing. This is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere here at Miami International Airport, and today I'm so excited because I'm flying back to incredible India. I really love India. I've been there one time before. This is actually my second time this year, and wow, I can't wait. The first time what I did is I explored 7 cities, the capital of Delhi, then I went down to the Agra, to the Taj Mahal, then to Lucknow, Varanasi, Jaipur, and Mumbai. And this time I want to switch it up. I want to really explore and show you guys more of India. We can't really repeat in India. I mean, you shouldn't, maybe Mumbai and Delhi, but everything else you gotta just keep exploring more. So this time what I'm doing, flying to Mumbai, doing like a nice street food tour, and then driving straight to Pune. Pune is another city in Maharashtra, the state, and then from there we're gonna be there 2 days, then fly to Hyderabad 3 days, fly up to Amritsar for 2 days, then fly down to Bangalore 2 days, Chennai 3 days, 3 days in Calcutta, 3 days in Ahmedabad. I mean, I'm so excited. I cannot wait. The food is gonna blow my mind. I know this country is just so incredible. I mean, there's so many things to see and eat. Today what I'm doing is I'm flying with Lufthansa from Miami to Munich and then connecting to Mumbai. I think it's like 8 hours and then 1 hour connection, and then I have another 9 hours. I'm going economy, so I don't know how great this video is gonna be, but I'm gonna do my best to film. I'm gonna show you the food, show you the experience. I know I have 2 people sitting next to me, so it's gonna be a little tight, a little hard, but it's gonna be good. I flew them once before, about 2 years ago when I flew to Frankfurt, and yeah, I'm excited because it's a great airline, great food, good wine, and I can't wait for the experience. I think I'm flying on a Dreamliner, my first time on a Dreamliner. My seat is 69A, so I have a window seat. All right, let's go to the flight. Let's start our incredible journey to India. Let's go. So you might be thinking, why did David fly from Miami to India via Germany? Well, that is the fastest route for me. There's no faster route. If I went through Qatar, I would have like a 5-hour layover. It would take like 23 hours. This is gonna take roughly about 17, 18 hours. From Miami to Munich is 8.5 hours, and this Airbus A380 has a 3-4-3 configuration, and I got very lucky because the seat next to me is empty. The whole flight is packed, but the seat next to me is empty, so I had extra leg room and it was a little more comfortable. Entertainment is great. They have unlimited movies, TV shows, games. Food was really good too. For dinner we had like a turkey loaf, and I had a glass of wine, and I watched The Incredibles 2, which is an incredible movie. Pixar, Disney did an awesome job with that one. And then I took like a 5-hour nap. I woke up, had some breakfast, had some eggs, some mushrooms with some tomatoes, and I had some coffee to wake up. We're about to land in about 45 minutes right now, and yeah, I mean, it's been a great experience with Lufthansa. I mean, I would definitely fly them again. Really nice experience. Everybody's been very friendly, and yeah, I mean, this Airbus A380 is just awesome. I really love how big the plane is. I mean, you didn't feel anything. It had very, very little turbulence. Slept great here. Yeah, and then now we're gonna land in Munich, and I have a 1-hour connection, and then another 7.5-hour flight to Mumbai. I mean, it's a long journey to get to India, but it's so worth it in the end. Okay guys, so the only problem with this connection is it's 50 minutes, and now I have 30 for my flight to take off, so I gotta run to the gate. Oh my god, super stressful. Like, every minute counts now. Well, I mean, 50 minutes is tight, but it only took me like 10 minutes to get from gate to gate. Not so bad, because obviously it's in the same terminal, thank God. I mean, obviously they make it like that because they know that you'll make it. So they told me that if there's a 50-minute connection, you automatically make it unless your plane is delayed, and that's always the scary part. The flight from Munich to Mumbai is 7.5 hours, and we're flying on an A330. It's a 2-4-2 configuration, and I chose to sit here in the emergency aisle because here you have a lot more room to stretch out. And I knew this plane was going to be smaller, that's why I chose to sit here. What we have here is a flip-out screen, and it got unlimited entertainment. I mean, so many foods to choose from. The food's really good. I just had like some butter chicken with spinach and some rice, had a drink. Now we still have around 4.5 hours to go to get to Mumbai, so I'm gonna take a nap. I need to get as much sleep as possible because as soon as I get there, I'm gonna hit the ground running and go on a food tour. If you're flying from Miami to India, Lufthansa is the fastest route. It's 8.5 hours from Miami to Munich. then you have a 1 hour connection, then you have another 7.5, so total 16, 17 hours in total from Miami all the way to Mumbai. I mean, it's definitely worth it. Lufthansa Economy is awesome. I really enjoyed it, and it's time to go to sleep, guys. I'll see you in India. Woo! 7.5 hours. Finally made it. For me, it's like 20. Yeah. Bye. Thank you. Okay, so after traveling for 17 hours, I finally arrived back in incredible India. This is the beginning of 18 days in India, 7 cities. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to start eating. And we're gonna do that right now, but Lufthansa Economy Class is pretty good on the A380 and the A330. Lots of legroom, great entertainment, food is amazing. This is the best way to get here from Miami. Only 17 hours. Any other way, if you go to Qatar, if you go to Dubai, it takes something like 20, 24 hours. So definitely go with Lufthansa. I highly recommend it. And if you love this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the next Indian travel adventure. Let's go.
Dude, how's it going, man? How's it going?
How you doing, dude?
You look really fresh.
Are we really doing this right?
I'm recording
I slept like most of the flight. I'm
Did you?
destroyed, yeah. I'm good. You ready?
You're good? I'm totally ready, man. We're gonna get after it.